Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iMessage message not delivered on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it, why you see this error. And so first thing, just check your internet connection. So mostly it happened because you just have problems with your internet. So just go to the settings, and if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you use cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just tap on software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.